Welcome to CBSE English Tutorial, a visual guide.
Mexico is a federal republic comprising 31 states and the federal entity of Mexico City, which serves as its capital. It shares its northern border with the United States, while Belize and Guatemala lie to its southeast. The country is bordered by the Pacific Ocean to the west and south, and by the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea to the east. Geographically, Mexico is marked by diverse physical features such as the Sierra Madre mountain ranges, the Central Plateau, and the Yucatan Peninsula. It is also home to major cities like Guadalajara, Monterrey, and Cancun, which contribute significantly to its cultural and economic landscape. G.L. Fuentes was a Mexican novelist and journalist. As a young man, he participated in the Mexican Revolution, an experience that deeply influenced his worldview. In the post-revolution period, he established a distinguished career in journalism. In 1948, he became the general editor of a newspaper and served in that role until the 1960s. Apart from journalism, he wrote several short stories, including works for children. His fiction is notable for portraying characters in an anonymous manner, making them representative of ordinary people rather than specific individuals. The story, A Letter to God, by G.L. Fuentes centers on the theme of unquestioning faith and belief. Set in a Latin American country, the story follows Lencho, a poor farmer who depends entirely on his crops for survival. When a devastating hailstorm destroys his entire harvest, Lencho's unwavering faith in God compels him to write a letter asking for financial help. Although his request is partially fulfilled through the kindness of the postmaster and his employees, Lencho remains dissatisfied because he does not receive the full amount he had asked for. Ironically, his deep faith is accompanied by suspicion and ingratitude. Thus, the story highlights both the power of faith and the complexity of human nature, showing how strong belief can coexist with misunderstanding and doubt.
The rain is coming. Yes, it will give life to our crops. These are raindrops, new canes. Let us go inside now. Let us bless God for this meal and the coming rain.
Amen.
The rain will water our crops.
I love rainy days and the thunder.
It is God's blessing.
We have to get back to the hut!
I know, hold on tight.
Faster, the storm is getting worse!
We're almost there. Keep going. God, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my fields again and to live until the crop comes. Post this immediately. It's urgent. It must arrive faster than normal. No delays. Post it fast, Vista. What a faith. I wish I had the faith of this man. Let's help this man, seeing that he has such faith in God. Let us not disappoint him. Could you all contribute a little to this cause?
Sure we will.
Let's see what we have. 70 pesos at least. He will be happy. It's only 70 pesos. God could not have made such a mistake. I need a paper and pen. Oh God, you sent me only 70 pesos. Send the rest. But don't send it through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks.
Thank you for watching. See you again in a bit.